Hey, my GachaBluxxes, long time no see. Today I'm going to show you how to make a car seat for babies. Without further ado, let's start. That's all for this video. It's so nice to finally be back. Hope to keep making content for you. Please check in the description for the credits because people end up saying I didn't give credits when they didn't check the description. Remember, God loves you, and if you ask, you shall receive. It speaks about that in Matthew 7 verse 7. Anyways, yeah, that's all. Love you all and see you guys in my next tutorial.